There was one person obviously rescued in the storm, but there is tragedy amidst the blizzard. Salve Regina University is mourning the loss tonight of one of its own students who police say died in a car last night from carbon monoxide poisoning.
This is so sad. Police believe that he was in his car charging his phone. And tonight we're hearing from one of his teammates. The night team's John Perrick continues our team coverage.
You even believe it. It's hard to deal with.
A sophomore on Salve's football team.
He was progressing towards being better.
Found unconscious in a car by police officers during Monday's blizzard. Officials say the car was here, parked outside the Young building on Salve's campus along Bellevue Ave. Newport police says carbon monoxide killed him.
It's odorless. You don't really you can't really smell it. You can't tell it's there. And you're not necessarily thinking about it because you're just chilling in your car. You don't necessarily think to clear out the gas pipe.
Police tell us they believe 21-year-old Joseph Boutros was in his car to charge his phone. Officers say they first found him around 7:30 p.m. Students told us the school didn't have power then.
He was a bundle of joy, you know. He always brought his personality to the room.
Christian Reese was on the offensive line with Boutros.
It was nice to see him working. I literally just saw him last Saturday. He was saying, yeah, man, I went from 290 to 270. I feel really good. I'm feeling light over the break.
Tonight, in a statement, the university's president sharing her condolences with all those who loved him.
Carbon monoxide is nothing to play around with.
At Tuesday's news conference, Rhode Island's fire marshal discussed the danger this odorless killer can have on us all.
If you feel you have an issue, call 911.
Back at Salve, the emotions are raw. Christian found out this morning.
It's hard. I plan to go to his funeral. I plan to drive all the way, if it's in Long Island, it's in freaking Seattle.
In Newport, I'm John Perrick, NBC 10 News, Night Team.